Theta essentially token is a mid-position cryptographic money, as of now valued at $281 that has a place with a class of minimal coins with a market capitalization of $2,805, 216, 625. Over the genuinely past truly couple of years, digital forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and especially are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks, or so they fundamentally thought. A few institutional financial backers in any event, in every way that really matters, sort of consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and dealers in every practical sense are truly keen on digital currencies, especially, for example, Theta, since this certainly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources in a real sense have the sort of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately truly brief time frame, or so they thought. These profits by and large are for the most part unreachable in sort of different business sectors, which in a real sense is the motivation behind why most commonly moderate financial backers in a real sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones really commit a huge piece of their truly funding to this quickly creating resource class at this fundamentally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta extremely in every way that really matters, token to the level at $281 where it presently sits, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, Theta by and large explicitly is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 40th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the in every practical sense, especially metric not entirely set in stone by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a sort of truly significant manner. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization certainly remains at $2,805, 216, 625. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later incredibly. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently certainly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and certainly choose whether or not it actually needs to, in a real sense, be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise gives pretty essentially extraordinary consideration to verifiable information, which truly is somewhat irreplaceable for the really right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its decently commonly present and future bearing in an extremely large manner. Underneath you will, in every practical sense, find essentially key extracts of this authentic information with the goal that you also could by and large have a comprehension of where the Theta token market in a real sense is going, which generally for the most part is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on Walk 22, Theta generally was esteemed at $285 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, all things considered. Recall that digital currencies certainly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they for the most part thought, which generally is very huge. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every practical sense, added up to 249%, which in a real sense is very huge. 7 days prior, on Walk 16, Theta, especially by and large token, fundamentally was exchanged at $3.10 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its in every practical sense kind of present situation in an every way that really matters, most certainly huge way, which is genuinely critical. On February 23, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $1.17, the cost level that entirely is at the distance of 139% from where it at present basically remains incredibly. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts a significant way, or so they thought. Market capitalization is another significant really metric that for the most part helps brokers essentially by and large decide the prominence of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which generally is very critical. It's likewise used to for the most part evaluate the offer that Theta token explicitly holds inside the whole cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization basically is somewhat straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to by and large generally is duplicated by its especially kind of current cost, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant way. As of the hour of composing the market, capitalization of Theta explicitly remains at $2,805, 216, 625, enough to name it the 40th outright biggest coin on the digital currency market in an essentially significant manner. Yesterday on Walk 22, the market capitalization of Theta, especially token, truly remained at $2,850, 678, 206, showing that it's likewise used to basically evaluate the offer that Theta essentially token sort of holds inside the sort of whole digital money market in an entirely significant manner, or so they truly thought. 7 days prior on Walk 16, the capitalization of Theta really was $3, 100, 808, 112 amazingly, or so they thought. A month prior on February 23, how much in every practical sense, capital streaming around this essentially specific market explicitly fundamentally added up to $1, 172, 732, 844 in an unpretentious manner. Most digital money financial backers truly in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific digital currency and its capacity to really endure disturbances which in a real sense are the genuinely normal event on this profoundly unstable market. The really greatest stockpile of Theta very token certainly is 1,000 Theta. The all-out supply of Theta as of now explicitly remains at 1,000 coins, which in a real sense is very critical. The coursing supply of the digital currency under survey certainly is 1,000 Theta in a for the most part significant manner. This Theta truly token cost expectation wouldn't be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the truly metric utilized by practically all digital currency brokers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in an especially quite huge manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain explicitly generally is happening on the rear of the in every practical sense exceptionally low exchanging volume, there by and large for the most part is a genuinely high likelihood that this move sort of is unreasonable and would bring about a bullish snare amazingly. Thusly, it's essential to especially dissect the actually genuinely past and the pretty in every way that really matters current exchanging volume of Theta request to generally comprehend whether this market has a basic strength in a significant manner. Over the in every way that really matters extremely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Theta truly token market most certainly in a real sense was enrolled at $78, 824, 565, which in a real sense is genuinely critical in a by and large enormous manner. Yesterday on Walk 22, Theta generally had an exchanging volume of $95, 945, 751, which essentially is genuinely critical. 7 days prior on Walk 16, the fundamentally